Jo suposo que ja ho esteu veient. Però bueno, estic aquí jugant-ho. Vale, i en teoria ja hauríem de funcionar. Ja em sentiu. Bé. Doncs som-hi. Anem a jugar, anem a seguir la història. L'he avançat una mica sense voler. Pensava que estava gravant i no gravava. Bueno, són gafes de l'oficio. Que dic jo, ja anem a veure com podem superar aquí. Ja veieu que he netejat aquesta part aquí baix. I ja veieu que jo soc... no m'agrada tirar tiros. Que tot ho faig en plan... Aquesta... es pugui agafar. A veure. M'heu vist això? No sigui això per fer servir això. Podria ser una opció. Ara quan vagi cap allà ho mirem. De fet ho podem fer...
Your whiskey,
podem fer amb
madam.
aquest aquí.
You ready, amigo?
Sí.
Any trouble?
Let's go.
A veure, això.
Hey, amigo. What's it say on this bottle?
Laudanum. Take too much of that and it's as good as poison.
Doncs mira.
Let's hold on
Sí,
to that.
hem trobat la posa.
If you say so. Sure thing, amigo. Shame about the whiskey. I don't know, amigo. You kill a man, you look him in the eye.
Like when you use that giant bear trap of yours.
Pues
Hey,
ara,
leave Bianca out of this.
marxem.
Get on with
Ja
it.
s'ha gramat, eh?
Well, now, let's see.
A veure què passa. Doncs mira, era mental. Veieu? Ja us he dit abans que hi havia d'haver-hi alguna cosa per envenenar el whisky i finalment doncs era això, tu. Quina cosa he dit, anem a veure la situació. Veiem. A veure... Suposo que l'he posat, Ai, pobret. A la puta sense voler envenenar. A veure si és això. Patxim.
Your whiskey, madam.
A veure... Pues ja m'ha dit.
Hey, what's wrong?
Pobret.
Gotta warn the others.
Hell.
Pues ha mort. Pues era això. Vale, pues ja està. Guardem i hem matat. I agafar la cera. No sé. Agafar la cera. S'ha enfadat, no? Se'n va. Va, anem. Jo no entenc ara això el tema de la campana. Bueno, anem un cop d'ull. Per què vol que jo faci fer servir la campana? Perquè la mare, sí que podem pujar per aquí.
A church in a godforsaken place like this.
Anem a mirar el tercer bosc que he de matar. El tenim aquí.
Look at the
Vale,
plan.
Shut it,
Ah, vale,
German.
tenim aquí.
Kill you.
Vale. Sí, volen que matem aquest. Veig que està cap aquí. Si el que hem de matar és aquest. Vale, sí que vam matar el duque. I pel que veig es posarà aquí, per tant la idea bàsica és agafar, pujar per aquí i... Però no sé si es pot pujar per aquí. Bé, sí, es pot pujar per aquí. Si puc pujar per aquí, anar per aquí, anar per aquí darrere. Ja m'han copet?
It's now or never.
Si ho pot fer sol. Com sempre guardem. Aquest joc ja sabem.
Nice and easy.
Posa-lo aquí, poder passar.
This is outrageous. You can't just
tear down my house?
I'm on my way. Not a problem.
Serà
We
tan fàcil
assembled
com
here
agafar,
because
pujar,
our good
mirar,
friend Bill done passed
després de
away.
tot el que hem suat
Crushed
per fer
by
això,
a
no m'ho
wall
crec.
that some idiot didn't put up properly.
It wasn't me.
Sí, sí, sembla que digui jo.
Shut your face, Josh.
We're here to return his crushed remains to the earth. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, and all that stuff.
No pot ser tan fàcil.
Guys, that's all I can remember.
Let's get going.
Not your lucky day, is it?
That's 3 down.
No m'ho puc
How come
creure.
you pick a fight with every big shot asshole in town?
Maybe I can't stand the big shot assholes.
Voy a veure.
What do I do?
Pues era això. Anem a
What do
veure
I
si
do?
suavitza la cosa. És que no la té això, baixar. És fins que no torni a ser jo.
How did that happen? What do I do?
No m'esperar.
This is wild.
El que no sabem si pujarà.
This wrong.
Can't do nothing here.
Not my problem.
Que l'ampolla.
What do I do? How the hell did that
Mira, sí
happen?
que sembla que pugui baixar.
Can't do nothing here.
A veure... Pues mira que aquest no m'he sentit de tots. Però que veig. I que era l'últim boss, nen. Ja els he matat tots.
We've assembled here because our good friend Bill
Que era l'últim
done
boss.
passed away.
Suposo que l'últim boss serà allà. Anem a veure què
Some idiot didn't
aquí.
put up
Hi ha
properly.
Gran McBain, que és aquest. Anem a veure per on entrem.
Face, Josh.
Anem aquí a...
Here to return.
aquest. En
way.
l'Hèctor. I anem a veure per on entrem. Sembla que podem entrar per aquí. I què és això? Bueno, el moment ja heu vist que ja no l'utilitzo, no m'agrada. De fet, jo soc d'aquells que pensa que si tot és un joc de sigil, doncs s'ha d'utilitzar sigil. D'aquí passes. D'aquí no pots passar, per tant,
This is outrageous.
haurem de passar d'aquí cap allà.
Tear down my house.
Hi ha molta gent, això és, eh? Un tothom. Uah, però molts no tant,
company.
No ho vaig veure clar. Molts, eh? Bé. No m'acordava, eh? Hòstia, per aquí. Aquest em pagarà, no?
All right, keep it easy.
Ja per Malogeo. Jo entenc que sí aquest, eh?
This is where they're laying the tracks.
Vale.
Stop moving!
Is...
Keep a lid on it. I see. This is where they're laying the tracks. McBain's the foreman and doesn't let anyone on site.
Then let's keep it quiet when we head in.
Guards later? Always. I like it. Bianca is ready. There. Up there.
Jo crec... Vull provar una coseta. Vull provar de saltar...
I like it. Understood.
De saltar... A sobre d'ell. A veure si puc fer-ho.
This is where they're laying the tracks.
Hi havia molta gent.
McBain's the foreman and doesn't let anyone on site.
Then let's keep it quiet when we head in.
I aquest que m'ha vist només pot veure si estic dret. Jo, si estic sentat, jo hauria de poder fer-ho.
In trouble? Nope, nothing. You got it, amigo. Looks like a job for Bianca. All set. I see.
Help!
I quasi. Però bueno, ja he trobat, eh?
I do. This is where they're laying the tracks. McBain's the foreman and doesn't let anyone on site.
Well, then let's keep it quiet when we head in.
Cards later? Always.
All right. Bianca is ready. All set. I like it. Good girl. She looks ready. Come to Hector. I can do this all day. What on earth?
Cards later? Always.
Time to use Bianca. Let's do this. Almost ready. She's ready. Let's lure someone in. Come on, amigo. Time to make some noise.
I see you,
Grab the amigo.
Found you! Who the fuck are you?
També el que he vist que no ho sabia, però heu vist que podia entrar per aquí? Ah, però tampoc està molt ben fet el joc, per aquí saber-ho. Vale, doncs posem la Bianca
Time to use Bianca.
aquí,
Sure thing, amigo.
xiurem.
Almost ready. There. I'll use my singing voice. Come on, amigo.
Hey, I heard that.
Bueno, pues,
All right, keep it easy.
Okay, let's get this over
Your
with.
ass is mine!
I'm gonna have my fun with you.
vale, jo crec
I'll
que
find you, you know.
efecte portadors hem de posar la Bianca per allà.
Anyone here?
Watch it. Got it.
Oh, we're gonna find you. Get to it, man.
Some chopping.
Keep looking. Always.
Time to use Bianca. Yeah, I got it. Almost ready. She's ready. I'll use my singing voice.
Who's
Over
there?
here. On my way. Always trust in Bianca. Let's go.
Hey, how's it going? Good.
Can do. Keep a lid on it. Bianca. Here comes the postman.
What? I got you.
Let's do this.
Think I heard a few bones creak.
You wish, amigo.
Ja anem veient a poc com s'ha de fer això. Però aquest boss serà més complicat. Va, tornem. La Bianca la posarem allà.
Time to use Bianca. I see. Let's lure someone.
Merda.
I heard that.
Let's do this.
La cagué.
Always trust in Bianca.
La cagué. Merda.
Time to use Bianca. Let's go.
Something.
Just. She's ready. Let's lure someone in. Let's light this up.
Show yourself.
Always trust in Bianca. Come on, amigo. There she is. This is nothing.
Fuck. I got you.
Think I heard a few bones creak.
Lo he deixado. Es que hay un poco que quiero investigar. Bueno, vamos a ver cómo fue.
Time to use Bianca. Can do. Almost ready. There. I'll use my singing voice. Come on, amigo. Over here.
Ya veré. Solo deixarem aquí, perquè és que no veig solució.
Always trust in
Ja
Bianca.
podem deixar aquí.
Big trap. Big trap.
Pues la posició és aquí,
Time to use Bianca. I see. Almost ready. She's ready. Let's lure someone in. I like it.
Hey, I heard that.
Still got it. Yeah, I got it. Bianca. Here comes the postman.
This is funny. Look at this wall. Which of you imbeciles built this? DeVitt will be furious.
These company assholes are everywhere. Shall we? Meet you there. On my way.
This is outrageous. You can't just tear down my house.
Company orders. Track's gotta go through here.
To hell with your company.
Sure thing.
Let's get moving, amigo. Looks like a job for Bianca. Let's go. There. Time to make some noise.
Show yourself.
Making a move.
What's the matter with these guys? Here goes. I'll get close and personal. I'll take it up. Okay. Oldest trick in the book.
I'll use my singing voice. On my way.
Hey, not
Show
worth my time.
yourself.
Good girl. All right. She looks ready. This is nothing. I can do this all day. Got plenty of room.
Think I heard a few bones, Creek.
You wish, amigo. I'm as fit as if I was 20.
What are we waiting for? All right. Who needs a good killing? Knife will do.
Few more hours. I got you!
Just a scratch.
Son of a bitch!
Per tant, hem de buscar
Craig.
una tanta.
You wish, amigo. I'm as fit as if I was
Tampoc
20.
veig la solució aquí. Anar d'aquí, aquí... I aquí matar-lo. Seria una solució. Vale, anem a provar.
Over there? No problem.
Hey, making trouble, huh?
What the fuck?
What are we waiting for? Come on. Okay. Let's go.
No veig solució aquí tampoc, eh? Bé,
Here comes the postman.
Busy place, this town. All right.
All's quiet.
Shall we?
The hell?
puta mare.
Not a problem. Now, let's see. So this is why the train had to stop out of town.
You'd think the railroad would be good for the folks here. But then they tore half the place down. Whoever ordered this wants these people gone.
You mean Vincent DeVitt, the railroad boss?
If you say so. Men like him are the reason everything's going to shit.
Well, sure, because he's got men like us who do his dirty work.
Killing the mood, amigo.
No, mira.
Let's get going. Who needs a good killing?
Eh?
Let's make it quick.
A ver. Aquí hi ha dos. I aquest és un ponxo. Vale, m'hem quedat aquí.
They won't see us coming.
We need some real workers, goddammit.
Va, guardem i anem a veure.
I see. Let's do this.
Hey, you!
Wow, this town's got it rough. Knife will do.
I got you now. Who the fuck are you?
We got all day. Eyes on the target. No need to get bloody.
People in here. What do we have here?
This way, amigo.
What?
Anem a netejar, perquè és que no veig solució, això. Anem a netejar aquí.
Middle of nowhere.
Hey.
It's now or never.
Sí, jo crec que la solució seria la seva.
Just like old times, eh, amigo?
Yeah, I got it. Let's do this. Hey, son of a bitch!
Don't move.
I like it.
What's that?
Let's go.
Come on, amigo.
Hey, see you, asshole!
This place?
No passa, crec, eh? No? No passa. Sembla que vagi més lent. Anem-ho a mirar?
Come on, it'll be fun. Can do.
Sembla que vagi molt més lent, eh? Anem-ho a mirar.
Let's do this.
Who was that?
This town's going to shit. Keep your eyes peeled. Sure thing, amigo.
But they never told anyone they tore it down. Those poor people.
Ask me, the railroad's a good thing.
Yeah, I got it. Understood.
Making a move.
Let's light this up.
What's that?
I got you!
Don't move.
What's that? Is that?
That.
Anem-ho mirem. Però... Bé, anem-ho mirem, eh?
You got it, amigo.
Good to see you, amigo. Let's light this up. Understood. Yeah.
But
I
they
got it.
never told anyone they tore it down. Those poor.
I'll be there in time.
Come on, amigo.
Well, who do we have here?
yourself yet, Cooper?
No hi ha.
Yeah, I got it. Coming through.
No he fet res.
But they never told anyone they tore it down.
I see. No rush, amigo.
Ahí está.
I like it.
Però aquest no mira. Vale,
What's the plan?
de tant en tant aquest noi descansa. Vaya tela! Sí que està molt ben fet, sí. Ja està. Vale. Ja el tenim allà. Costat, Vale, jo crec que també podrem enviar l'altre.
Keep it cool. Here goes.
Sí, però no puc fer és triar aquesta pa. Bueno, anem a netejar. A veure. L'idea seria criar aquest, no?
What's up?
Good to see you,
Si
amigo.
veig ser xulo,
Let's lure someone in.
pues hauria funcionat.
Bianca is ready. Let's do this. I'll use my singing voice.
No hauria de molestar, Hauria d'estar bé.
Hey, I heard that.
Making a move.
A veure.
Always trust
Buah,
Bianca.
pica. D'aquest
There
sí.
she is. Coming through.
Vale. Si aquest ja l'hem mogut... Que aquest... De vendre aquest. Però aquest no el poden moure, no, espera. Aquest no el veu, ho veieu? Per tant, jo crec que aquest el puc matar. Vale, no ho veiem? Però el matarem cub. I el puc deixar aquí, no he vist ningú que el pugui veure, No, jo crec que no ho puc veure.
I'm here. Sure thing. It's now or never.
Jo pel que veig, a veure... Saps que el mateix joc ja t'hi diu que gravi, que és la part de la funcionalitat. Pel que veig, si jo mato aquest...
On my way.
This place
El veu aquí,
Just a scratch.
el veu des d'allà. Vale, per tant, l'he de matar...
Come on. Need sharpening. Just a scratch.
La cosa és que sí. Vale, doncs hem de matar-ho d'una altra manera. A veure. Anem a mirar. És a dir, el joc està dissenyat perquè ja el mati des d'aquí. Però com pujo aquí? Si hi ha aquests dos ponxos aquí. I aquests dos puc moure. I si veig per darrere mato aquest? És una solució. No me quedem
What are we waiting for? Okay.
En culpa va més ràpid, però aquest, Bé. Jo pel que veig sí que puc venir.
Come on.
I em va. Vale, a mirar.
Need sharpening.
Vale, aquest no puc moure sense...
Don't you move!
Jokers!
A veure.
Eyes open. Here Here goes.
Those idiots. They'll never finish in time.
Come on, let's move it. Sure thing.
You think this is funny? Look at this wall. Totally wrong.
Need sharpening.
Hey now.
Done.
No, que no sé si aquest el podem atacar. Aneu a provar-ho? Aneu a provar, no, verdad?
Let's get moving, amigo. Let's light this up.
La idea seria amb aquest matar aquest. Jo crec que aquest no pot mirar aquest.
I see.
I'm here. Okay. Let's go.
Vamos allà.
Which of you imbeciles built this? DeVitt will be furious.
No vull fer això perquè aquest tio, fins que no vagi cap allà, no el mataré.
Well, now, let's see.
No, a veure. Això funciona. Posarem pausa, llavors la idea és que aquest el matarà aquest, aquest matarà aquest. No, a veure si funciona. Preparats? És que de fet després no té joguet aquí. Vale, go. Paro.
Can we get this over with? Knife will do. Okay, then.
Vale, i l'altre.
Time for the axe. Let's do this.
Executo. 1, 2, 3 i... Go. El que corre pressa serà aquest. Aquest l'he de moure en 3 segons, En teoria aquest el podia portar aquí. Bueno, ho gravarem. Anem allà. Uah, m'ha vist aquest. Bueno.
Knife will do. Let's get going.
Hector's here. Time for the axe. This way, amigo. Okay, they're down. You enjoying yourself yet, Cooper? To Hector.
Keep it cool. Let's go. You see a way? Eh, me neither. Sure thing. Busy place, this town.
I'm just getting started. Can do. I'm in the mood for some chopping. There go. I can handle it. I see.
Which of you imbeciles built this? DeVitt will be furious.
Sure thing, amigo.
Come on.
Hey, that's not right.
Not a problem.
Did you even look at the plans? Whoever did this, you're fired.
Shall we? Okay. Let's go.
Hey, this is outrageous. You can't just tear down my house.
Company orders. Track's gotta go through here.
To hell with your company.
Well, now, let's see.
Tengo una idea.
You think this is funny? Look at this wall. Totally wrong.
Let's finish these guys. Eyes on the target.
Vale. Vale. No tinc gaire clar, després com marxo. Veure aquesta vista.
I got lots of these.
Which of you imbeciles built this? DeVitt will be furious.
Watch and learn.
Vale. Per aquí cartellina està desembarrada, sí. Bé, anem a fer-ho ara. Preparats? Uah! Jo crec que cartellina està amb lliure vista, no sé bé. Però sí que jo ara serà un festival. Jo no sé si puc sortir per la festa. 1, 2 i...
Who needs a good killing? Kid, no need to get bloody. All right.
Back up here!
No vull fer
You
això.
ain't hiding from us. Spread out! You think this is funny? Look at this wall.
Kid, no need to get bloody.
We need more men here! You ain't hiding from us. Spread
Hurry
out! Sneaky motherfucker!
Shift's over. That's it.
Hey, you! Trouble, huh?
Satisfied now? You'll be able to sleep at night.
I'm fine, Cooper. Let's head back to the saloon.
No me deixa... Sí.
Okay, then.
Vale. No és així. O potser és que no té prou força. Vale?
Shall we? Shift's over. That's it. All done. Satisfied now.
See? Oh, it's the two jokers.
Bueno, és a dir...
Fuck, we need some real workers, goddammit.
On my way.
What the fuck?
What do I do?
Well, now, let's see. All right.
Don't you move!
Ja, que ho matem, perquè és que si no em veurà.
Come on.
Hey now!
És que...
Shall we?
Vale, preparats? Anem a fer-ho bé. És que anem per passos, que aquest joc... Jo no... També estic jugant en mode difícil.
Let's make it quick. Don't take that. Up.
Jo sé. Nice.
Come on. Shall we? Let's make it quick. Don't up. No problem.
You think this is funny? Look at this wall. Totally wrong.
Sure thing. Knife will do. Shift's over, McBain. That's it. All done. Satisfied now? You'll be able to sleep at night?
I'm fine, Cooper. Let's head back to the saloon. Our drinks are still waiting.
Okay, then.
Is there
This is outrageous! You can't just
You're
tear
up
down
to
my house?
something.
Company orders. Track's gotta go through here.
What? Go home.
Company!
Understood.
In trouble? Got you. I see you, asshole. This place is out.
Déu-n'hi-do, tio. I no hauré acabat, però sóc així.
Let's head back to the saloon. Our drinks are still waiting.
On my way. Nice and easy.
Bueno, ja està.
Gotta find another way. It's now or
Que hagi
never.
passat per allà, per no haver mirat el... Ai, tela.
But they never
Them
told
wooden
anyone they
doors.
tore it down. Those poor
Posem aquest
people.
I
Yeah, you ask me, the railroad's a good thing.
Héctor,
They want us all gone.
suposo que aquí una estona ja els tenim tots, tio.
Tracks, they go right past my shop, way I see it.
I ja el
This is
tenim.
real good food.
I cinemàtica? Ja gaudir una estoneta de tanta tensió que has tingut.
Gentlemen,
Gentlemen,
I saved your whiskey for you.
Gracias, señorita. Don't worry about those men anymore. We took care of them.
Oh, that's kind of you, Hector. We sure could use a little more quiet around here. Well, fellas, I have to step out.
Està molt bé,
Would you mind
cinètica,
keeping an eye on the place?
Leave it to us.
Aquests dos, deixar-los aquí.
I'll be back in a few.
Sembla que jugaran tota la cantina,
So,
com a mínim, i manegen a mi.
how long you been here?
Tot el whisky acabarà.
Couple of days. Why are you asking?
Did you find him? You know where he is?
You have to bring this up now?
What the hell, Hector?
Just saying, we just had a good time, so why ruin it, huh?
Look, I'm not here to play the
Oh,
Good
yeah.
Samaritan. We both know he's working for DeWitt, so just tell me where he is.
Interessant.
Easy, amigo. Last I heard, he's at the mayor's house. It's just a short ride up the mountain.
No reason to waste any more time then.
You sure this is a good idea? It's getting late.
I put this off long enough.
What difference is one more day? Where I know Frank, he'll still be there tomorrow.
Bueno, però sembla que sí, que aquest no té
All
pressa.
right.
Aquest no té
Tomorrow,
pressa.
That's right, amigo. Now, tell me what you've been up to.
Bueno, i ara per ahir, perquè he acabat ja la sessió i hem gravat. Es que la muerte parece un accidente, es que un accidente ja, bueno, podria haver matat, sí. Bueno, ja sabeu que jo les faig amb no difícil, suposo en normal això seria més fàcil, Jo ho sou així. Però a mi m'agrada jugar sempre aquest tipus de jocs així. Un guapo aquesta mare que tots és una estratègia a seguir i tot. Suposo que després tornes a jugar el joc amb un mode normal aquestes coses, però fer un mode difícil de cop i volta és que és difícil. És difícil. En fi, la part més fàcil ha sigut l'església però aquesta part d'aquí, per mi la part més difícil no ha sigut aquí, ha sigut aquest campament perquè és molt obert i està molt ben pensat, és a dir que la intel·ligència artificial se'ls ha de felicitar, molt bé. Va, continuo i bastant bé. Va, en Cooper guanya, no? Més o menys, en Cooper és el rei, jo també és. Jo veig que et xulat, què hi faré? 14 d'any, no sé. Està bé. Pues jo crec que ho deixem aquí. I potser ara segueixo, però jo sé que ara vull pujar els vídeos que he fet fins ara. Si és que gent, paro un moment i dono per acabar.